So this particular weekend, I was at Barrett Automotive Group. They had a cars and coffee, and they had some very unique cars at their meet and greet. This air-cooled Porsche really got my attention, so I had to go and get some video of it. They had, of course, a couple C8 Corvettes in the house, and it was a nice assortment of muscle cars, exotics, classics, everything from McLaren to Ferraris. Man, Southern California never disappoints whenever I'm in town and I hit up a car show. I mean, the cars down there are just crazy. This Mustang 70 Fastback was, it was an eye grabber. It just, man, I've always loved these Mustangs. I think they're just real sexy the way they sit. That fastback slope, it looks like it's moving when it's standing still. It's one of my all-time favorite cars. Then they had, some Porsches, Lamborghini Murcielago, Porsche Taycan. They had a lot of cool cars, man. I mean, Barrett, Automotive, they put together nice cars and coffee, and this show did not disappoint. It was cool to hang out with some friends and just enjoy, the good weather. This classic 60, I would think it's a 67 Camaro was clean. I'm a big muscle car guy, so I had to make sure I gave it a little bit of camera time. And then as you go inside, they have cars everywhere. I mean, anything you can imagine as far as being stored, they have it. Boats, cars, trucks, a lot of cool stuff up in there, man. I mean, you could just look at the, collection that you could see, and yeah, man, they got some really unique pieces in here. Had a Ford GT there that was parked and hanging out. That guy, he drove his car and was, hanging out at the meet and greet. Martini Porsche, Shelby Mustang, GT3s and motorcycles. I mean, they have a little bit of everything here. Rolls Royce, some classic Buicks. My homeboy Nico's Cadillac, Porsche race car. Yeah, this place is really cool. It's besides being a storage facility, it has a lounge area, and it's just a really cool spot to go and, mingle with people and, store your car. So, Southern California parking is very limited. So if you have a nice car and, unless you have just a spread, most likely you're going to have to park your car somewhere, especially if it's a nice car you want it secured. So this is one of those places where you can park your car and not have to worry about it being damaged and, know that it's in a secure location. Go to MuscleUpDetailSpray.com and pick you up some merch.
Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Herc said, wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at FreshOutSeries.com.
Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.